Hi traders, welcome to Kajani Trade and Train. Today's video is Bank Nifty review dated 11/6/21. Bank Nifty review dated 11/6/21. We will see about 4 points: 1, 2, 3, and of course MACD and RSI. Point number 1. 2 days CPR relationship, higher value overlapping, it is a trending day, moderately bullish. This is the theoretical part and how it is confirming for today's Bank Nifty we will see in the chart. 2 days CPR relationship, that means this is today's CPR, this is today's CPR. I have marked 3 lines here. This is today's CPR and this is previous day CPR. These 3 red lines we can see. This one is previous day CPR, this one is today's CPR. 2 days CPR relationship. What is the relationship now? It is higher value overlapping. What do you mean by that? Higher value overlapping. See the 3 lines here, previous day, and today's CPR of 3 lines here. These 3 lines are overlapping the previous day's CPR on a higher side. On a higher side. You can see this one, this overlapping is on the higher side. So higher value overlapping means it is a trending day. It is a trending day and moderately bullish. We will see the how the chart is moving. Trending day. It is a trending from higher values to lower values. That means it is a downtrend. That means it is a bearish market. This is trending day and moderately bullish. This higher value overlapping says that moderately bullish. See, as soon as candles are opened from previous day to today, it is a gap up opening. Gap up opening. This is nothing but bullish trend. How this theoretical part has proved in this chart. Point number 2. CPR opening trick. What do you mean by that? CPR opening trick means where the first few candles are opened. CPR opening trick means where these are all the 5 minutes candles where all the opening candles are opened. That is CPR opening trick. Now today's chart we will see where the 5 minutes candles are opened. Above R1, these candles, these 3-4 candles are opened above R1. R1 means resistance 1. Above this one, candles are opened. These are all red candles. These 3 are red candles opened above R1. What theory says, when this is the situation, candles will be attracted towards CPR. When candles are opened above R1, when 2 days relationship says it is a higher value overlapping, the theory says that candles will be attracted towards the CPR. This is the CPR. Candles are opened here. Candles will be attracted towards the CPR means it is a bearish trend or it is a down trend. Next point is CPR is home for candles. Once candles are coming near to CPR or within the CPR, candles will not leave CPR unless there is a big move in the market. See how this theory has been proved in this 11 June 21 chart. Once the candles are entered into CPR, this is the CPR TC, this is the CPR BC. Candles are entered into CPR area majority of the time. Just see from here to here up to the day end, candles are not left the CPR, they are within the CPR. That is the meaning of CPR is home for candles. After getting confirmation of it is a trending day and it is a bearish market, it is a downward trend, what should be our trade setup? What should be our today's trade plan? We have to take a directional view. Which direction we have to take? It is a downtrend direction we have to take up to here. Downtrend bearish market view we have to take. Trade setup is directional view. It is a downtrend. When it is a downtrend, what are all the options for a trader is available? We can sell futures or we can buy put or we can sell call. Also we can make a options strategy bear call spread or bear put spread. The fourth one is MACD and RSI, how they are supporting this trend. We will see in this one. This is the previous day chart of Bank Nifty. Previous day only, this is the moving average 20, this is the moving average 50. 20 moving average is above the 50 moving average and candles are trading above 20 days moving average only. The trend has been continued on the second day also, today also, and the trend has been changed. Candles are started trading below this 20-day moving average. Just see how it has confirmed the trend. It is a downtrend. MACD also showing it is a downtrend. Up to here, it is a downtrend. MACD also confirmed it is a downtrend. Then we will see RSI. From the RSI also, we can see how the downtrend has been confirmed up to here. So all these things we have to learn and we have to start our trading. Just open the trading account and demat account and having capital, that is not sufficient for a trader. We have to learn all these tricks. What is CPR? What is MACD? What is RSI? What is the directional view? What is the non-directional view? What is sell futures? What is buy put? What is sell call? What are the strategies of bear call spread, bear put spread? All these things we have to make study and get the confidence, and then only we have to start trading. For this, we are conducting a 2 days training program. It is a workshop that is on Saturday and Sunday. Learn and earn. Please like, share comment, and also subscribe. Thank you.